1 box of Nilla wafers. We are gonna go ahead and organize these to be nice and straight in a line. It's okay if you have some crummies on here because we will transfer these to a prettier platter. But now that we have our Nilla wafers in our sheet pan, I'm gonna go ahead and grab Nilla wafers' best friend, bananas. Okay, and I already cut these into little coins, and we're just gonna put these right on top of our Nilla wafers. We're making a super easy kind of appetizer style dessert. It's gonna be so delicious and so fun for a summer party. All right, last banana on there. Now it's time to make something super yummy. So I'm gonna move this to the side and grab a bowl and a whisk. Get some banana cream pudding. It's the instant pudding, and we are gonna use about half of this. I couldn't find the small package, so we're gonna use about 3 ounces of our pudding. Yum, okay, beautiful. Now I'm gonna add 2 cups of 2% milk. You can use whatever milk you like, and we're just gonna make this pudding to its instructions. Beautiful. All right, give this a nice quick whisk.
Ooh, it smells delicious.
Oh yeah, this is so good and so yummy. All right. Beautiful. Okay. Now, in order to get this nice and thick, I am actually gonna pop this in the fridge just for a couple minutes. All right, our pudding has set. Oh yeah, that is perfect.
Oh, that looks
See how it's
delicious.
thick and yummy? I think I even got too much, so I'm gonna do a smaller scoop, and we are putting that right on top of our bananas to the best of our ability. Doesn't need to be beautiful because we will add something to make it beautiful. Oh my gosh, look how good these are turning out. And if you haven't noticed yet, we are making little banana cream pie bites. Oh, so much better than a whole pie. So much easier. It's literally, like I said, an appetizer dessert. So fun for parties, especially for the summer. I am obsessed. Okay, so just quickly put your pudding right on top of each Nilla wafer banana. Some of them, I put a little too much. You really just want like a tablespoon of pudding on each because we have a lot of these, all right? So we don't want to waste too much pudding on these. Beautiful.
Babe, you know I'm allergic to banana, right?
I know, these aren't for you. This is for our company. James loves banana, and he is gonna be eating these up.
Yeah, but James always gets everything.
I know. Well, you know what? He's kinder than you. All right, let's go ahead and finish these up super quick. All right, our pudding is done, and now I'm gonna grab something that will make the dogs go crazy, but also taste good on our banana bites.
Whipped
Okay.
cream?
Yeah, and we're just doing, oh, I told you they were gonna go crazy. Just a little dabble on each one. Just quickly, just a little squirt on each one. Oh, it's just the perfect addition to our little banana pie bites. All right, now that that ready whip is done, the dogs will be quiet and we can top these up with some walnuts. These are optional, but I love the additional crunch. So I'm just gonna pop them on real quick, just right on that ready whip. So easy and just completes our yummy dessert.
Why don't you just pour the bag over?
Because I'm a gentle person, okay? All right, almost done. Look how perfect these came out.
Okay, that was worth it. Okay.
Now, usually the chef eats first, but since we have a special guest here, James,
Hey!
he is gonna try my banana pudding cream little bites first.
So good. Thank you. I'm going to get them right here in the middle. Oh, I love these.
All right, rate them 1 through 10.
Oh, man, that's so good. Because you can't have banana pudding without a Nilla wafer. That is
Yes.
perfect. And it's all in one bite. Oh, delicious.
All right, I gotta try one.
Yeah. Right? Beautiful. I'll give it at least a 9.8.
I give it a 10.